Piers Morgan has said that he found it riveting watching Will Smith slap Chris Rock at the Oscars on Sunday. The former GMB presenter, 56, admitted that he had expected the ceremony to turn into a series of ever more unctuous virtue-signaling speeches about Ukraine. However, he said that he was pleasantly surprised as he watched the chaos erupt on stage. Speaking on Fox News, he said, "I expected last night to turn into a series of ever more unctuous virtue-signaling speeches about Ukraine. But instead, we got a real-life personal war erupt on stage between two bona fide superstars, and it was absolutely riveting." Some Twitter users weren't impressed by his suggestion that the show of violence made the ceremony more exciting, with one writing, "Yes, sadly some people still do find violence riveting," while another commented, "Riveting? Embarrassing." It comes after Will, whose Oscar win is now under review following his behavior, issued a groveling apology to Chris Rock on Tuesday. Comedian Chris, 57, had made a reference to alopecia sufferer Jada Pinkett Smith's shaved head by joking that he couldn't wait for G.I. Jane 2. Despite initially appearing to laugh, Will's demeanor seemed to abruptly change as he stormed onto the stage and slapped Chris across the face on live TV. Will wrote on social media, "Violence in all of its forms is poisonous and destructive. My behavior at last night's Academy Awards was unacceptable and inexcusable. Jokes at my expense are a part of the job, but a joke about Jada's medical condition was too much for me to bear and I reacted emotionally. I would like to publicly apologize to you, Chris. I was out of line and I was wrong. I am embarrassed and my actions were not indicative of the man I want to be. There is no place for violence in a world of love and kindness. I would also like to apologize to the Academy, the producers of the show, all the attendees and everyone watching around the world." Serena and Venus were in the audience watching Will accept the Oscar for playing their father in the movie, and Will also reached out to them, as he said sorry for his violent outburst overshadowing what should have been a momentous occasion. "I would like to apologize to the Williams family and my King Richard family. I deeply regret that my behavior has stained what has been an otherwise gorgeous journey for all of us," he concluded. "I am a work in progress. Sincerely, Will."